Hey everyone, welcome back to Hobbyist Artist, the channel where we bring legendary characters to life using just a pencil, patience, and lots of fun. Today, we're drawing one of Phil, the most iconic and viral cartoon characters in internet history, Crazy Frog. If you grew up hearing the ding ding ringtone or watching the Axel F music video, this character is definitely going to bring back some memories. So, grab your drawing pencil, paper, eraser, and let's get started step by step. All right, we're jumping straight in. No time wasted because this is a full drawing tutorial, not just a time-lapse. So if you want to follow along and draw with me in real time, you're in the perfect place. Step 1. Sketching the eyes. Beer. We'll start by drawing two big round eyes near the top center of the page. Make them large and exaggerated. Crazy Frog has huge cartoon-style eyes, and it's one of the reasons he looks so funny. Don't worry if your circles aren't perfect. We'll clean up everything later when we do the outlining. Inside each circle, add another smaller circle for the irises. Leave a highlight, a small, empty white circle, to make the eyes glossy later when we shade. Step 2. Adding the goggles. Now we're giving him his signature feature, the aviator goggles. Draw a curved band across the top of the head, and then two rounded goggle frames on top of that. Remember, Crazy Frog's goggles are big and chunky, so exaggeration helps. The details don't need to be perfect right now. We're just blocking in shapes. Later, we'll refine the metallic parts and lenses. Step 3. The head and smile. Next, outline the shape of the head around the eyes. It should be slightly oval and stretched. Now, here comes the fun part, the huge smile. Crazy Frog always looks like he's up to something. Draw a wide curved smile going almost from one side of the face to the other. Add the upper lip, which is thick and rounded. Then lightly sketch the teeth, not individually separated like human teeth, just a cartoony line showing the separation. Step 4. The body shape. Now let's move to the body. Crazy Frog has a frog-like torso, but shaped kind of like a cartoon human body. Sketch a round belly, a bit plump, and then gradually draw the chest area. He also wears a little black vest, but don't outline it fully yet. Simply mark the general shape, so we know where it will be. Step 5. Arms and fingers. Let's draw those funny arms. They're thin on the upper half and slight. If you're watching this because you love drawing and want to improve week by week, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a tutorial. Every time you interact, liking, sharing, commenting, you help support the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep drawing, keep creating, and keep having fun. This is Hobbyist Artist, signing off. And remember, there's no such thing as a bad drawing. Only a drawing that's not finished yet.